Lee, we gotta climb this. I'm gonna hold it.
Pull that foot out over there on that side. You'll have to use it, push it with your foot, maybe. Oh shit! Careful, quit doing that. Push down with your foot. There you go. You want to come down? Damn it.
There you go.
Alright, I'm gonna pick it up, and these things need to go that way, okay? These things right here.
On the floor.
Alright. Going to the ground.
Alright.
Alright, go ahead. Alright, other one.
Alright. Bro, this is suicide, bro. What? You got me messed up if you think I'm gonna climb up there with some tools too. Oh my god. Bro, this gotta be like 100 feet, bro. I'm 6 foot and I'm freaking. Yeah, this is. Hey, anything for the content, right? Anything for the content. It's insane, bro.
Are you locked in good before you come up? Ladder slid on me one time and almost knocked me off this roof. If Justin wouldn't have caught it, I'd have been down there on the ground. It was a dangerous thing. Is it turned off? No. Oh. It says 410 or 22. I don't remember.
No one, so it's got to be R22.
Alright. Yeah, she's low. Well, we got that's no problem 1 and 2.
R22. Hey. Right over there beside that package.
Good for the content. Oh man, let's see if I tie this thing right. Golly. Alright, I'm not a pussy, I'm not a pussy, I'm not a pussy, I'm not a pussy, I'm not a pussy. I'm not a pussy. Oh, I see what you're talking about. The jumping thing?
Easy does it. Easy.
Yeah.
Slow and steady wins the race. Here you go, just take your time. Easy does it, no hurt. Not want you to get hurt. I would hate myself for a long, long time if we did.
Thank you.
What line?
Service line, right?
Charging line.
Charging
You
line.
see the Davis? Put the tape up here.
Alright. There we go. Bleeding all the air out. You don't want non-condensables in your system. Last time I was here about 3 years ago, this was needing to be changed out.
Reach up, right?
Right there.
Right here.
Here's the high side, top one. Yeah. We need to.
Give me a piece of armor plate or something. Get some pictures of it.
Yeah, go ahead and put that door back on. Through the door. Put some gauges. There you go. Put the other one. There's the 410A.
Turn off the disconnect. It's that handle right there. Push it straight down. No.
I think because I'm the tiniest one, they keep sending me to get the stuff from the truck to get some R10A, 410A, and then he says some waters and a Under Armour. It said Under Armour, body armor. Let's see. Let's stick this in my pocket. Stick that in my back pocket. Stick this other one in my other back pocket. Now I look like I got a fat butt. Let's look at that. Oh yeah, fat butt. Alright, let's tie this thing up.
Okay.
Yeah! Right here.
Well, you're going to both of them.
I just need the pink one.
Shit.
What's you go to Dallas or Richmond or something like that for high school?
Yeah.
Graduate?
Yeah.
Oh, with it. Yeah. Did you do something too?
Yep.
You want the body armor?
Now you got it.
I don't want it.